Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tech Team. Okay, so in today's video we are going to talk about the map function in Python. So we're going to talk, of course, more about lists in this video, and I hope you enjoy it. But before I start showing you the map function, I wanted to actually hear from you if you can hear me better right now. I know that my voice sounds like crap, but if you can hear me louder and better, probably. That's what I want to hear, because I changed some things in the place that I am right now, which I will create a whole video about it. But for now, let's start by the map function. So let's create a list. So we have our array that is going to be equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And what we are going to do now is we are going to create a function that we're going to call, I don't know, my func. And what we're going to do is we are going to give our function this x right here. So this is the parameter of the function, and then we are going to return x plus x. So we are just returning x plus the x. So what we want to do is we want to do this x plus x in every single one of these numbers. So we want 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. And that's where the map function takes place. So what we are going to do is we are going to print out the list of the map function, and I am going to explain everything in just a second. So we're getting the list of a map that you're going to understand what the map is. But the list, do you remember this thing right here that we placed to get everything inside the list? That's what we're doing right now. So a map function takes two arguments: a function, so we have my func like that, and a list array. So why this is happening? Because we want to get everything that is inside this function, the x plus x in our case, and implement it inside this array, into this list. So when we run the program, you can see that we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, because you can see 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. You can do actually lots of things with that. You can do x, for example, to the power of x, and you can see those crazy numbers. But yeah, that's everything for this video, and I will see you all guys in the next video. Goodbye everyone.